Hi, I'm Jordan, and I'm here in this mall parking lot to take a look at the cars that you're driving. The good, the bad, and the ugly. But behind every ugly duckling, there's a swan just waiting to be discovered. And today, we're gonna show you how you can get a Sunday shine with some mother's love. Hey, how's it going?
Hey, what's up, man?
By chance, is this your car?
This is my car.
All right, well, hey, I'm Jordan.
Gianni, nice to meet you.
Gianni?
Yeah.
I noticed that our exterior could use a little TLC. This is
Jenny.
And she's with me here today. She's also a great sport. When was the last time you washed your car, if you don't mind me asking?
Probably right after I got it.
Hold on, I did not expect that answer. You got a lot of bugs on the front of your car. Did you do a road trip recently?
No.
No, that's just daily driving?
Daily driving.
You a night driver?
Sometimes.
Sometimes? Okay. Yeah. When's the last time you washed your car?
Maybe a week ago? 2 weeks ago?
No.
About a month ago.
Don't lie to me.
All right, 2 months ago.
Yeah, 2 months. 2 months sounds right. So we noticed we got a little grime, we got a little dirt. It's a newer car. It just needs a little bit of love. We are going to be using the California Gold High Performance Car Wash, okay?
Wow.
So, yeah. I got a team.
Cool.
We got a team here.
Yeah.
We got a team here. What this is going to do is just going to give you just like a whole shine, whole sheen. It's going to get rid of everything that we talked about, even that bird poop. It's gonna make that trim pop. It's gonna bring back that color. It's gonna give it that new look, because we love that new car look. Okay, so now that we've kind of gone through all of the mother's love that the car wash is gonna give you, we wanna talk about another product with you, okay? I wanna talk about this product. It's the protectant. That's right. And you're gonna use a microfiber towel as well. And with these two, you're just gonna give this thing a little bit of mother's love. All right, so what we have up next is the California Gold Brazilian Carnauba Cleaner Wax. This is gonna help that new car stay with that new car look. There's an applicator that you can use as well. It's just a little pad. Just take a little time. You just kind of like do a little bit. A little bit goes a long way.
Yeah.
Just gonna give it a little sheen. It's gonna protect the car. It's gonna coat the car. Think of it like sunscreen for your car. Okay. So where you really wanna use it, the tires.
Okay.
Fender. And even your bumper here too, okay? So any of those like plastic areas of the car, you just want to give that a little spray, let it sit for just a little bit, and then you're gonna use that microfiber towel and just give it just a little clean, you know? All right, Giovanni, have a good day.
You too.
Have a great day.
You too.
Thank you. All right,
Alrighty.
take care.
Thanks.
For more information on any of the products you've seen here today, visit mothers.com.